So we've literally only just arrived, less than 5 minutes. We have no neighbours there, so we can talk away. And the male kestrel came in, stayed for 3 or 4 minutes and went off. What a beautiful bird. Absolutely, like, if that's a taste of what we're going to get for the rest of the day, it's going to be amazing here. So there's a female out there ripping a mouse apart. I'm actually just doing a bit of video of her. Dave is probably taking 100 photos of her, if not more. We'll post anything we get. Anyways, you will see as well. Absolutely fantastic here. Absolutely fantastic. It's a small eye just for two. I have a light on the top of my camera. I don't know if you can see this. So I have a light on my camera, and there's another hide right next door that fits too as well. So 4 people can come and do photos. Absolutely fantastic. So I'm using a Z6 II with a 180 to 600 lens. First time using it. I took them out of the box yesterday, so actually it's like a computer to me at the moment. Just trying to get used to it. Dave is shooting with a Nikon D5 500 and an 18 to 400 lens, and he's absolutely getting cracking shots with it. Absolutely cracking. It's a very like small versatile lens for a 400. But now he does have a 200 to 500 with him, but he's just preferring to hold this. I had an absolute epic day. Absolute brilliant. I'm just home. It's 5 to 10. Just starting to get dark. I'm on the road since 6 this morning. Absolutely brilliant. Richard Duff's hides are absolutely amazing. For me, a beginner photographer, absolutely worth their weight in gold. But if I was a professional photographer, still worth their weight in gold. Everything is within 20 to 30, 40 feet of you. Everything is still in its own natural environment. Absolutely brilliant. I really enjoyed today. I think today went on very long because I done 2 hides. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make 2 videos in 2 different sections. I'm going to do hide 1 and do hide 2. Hide 2 was Kestrel's. Hide 1 is the woodlands hide, and it was absolutely brilliant. Like, I'm blown away by it. All I could think about was coming home was the computer. I can't wait to get checking on it. Myself and Dave were talking on the way home. I dropped Dave off, he lives in the city. You know, where do you go first when you get home? Do you check out your Kestrels? Do you check out your Fox? Do you check out your Pine Marten? Like, we had such an interesting day. Absolutely, like the Pine Marten came in 3 times. And came in then with 2 kits. His 2 kits were climbing on the back wall. Amazing, like absolutely amazing. I'm going to shut up talking. I'm going to start with this video and enjoy it. If you don't, I apologise. There is some graphic scenes of kestrels eating mice and things like that, so if you're squeamish, turn it off or block your eyes for X, Y and Z seconds. I'm not trained in videography or photography, so like everything I learn is from YouTube, watching YouTube channels like Mike Lane, Dan Willis, like just to name a few. Like I watch a lot of YouTube videos and that's where I'm learning from, and I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you.